Hi, it's Taylor. Welcome to my scrap studio. Welcome to my channel, Right Brain Affairs. This is the Gnome Family Series, part 2.5 Mama Gnomes tutorial coming up. I wanted to briefly go back and explain again why I did this. I was researching gnomes and everything about them I could find to get into the families. And I discovered, of course, there's a lot of controversy and conflict over where and when they came to be. Everything from they were Roman gods, earth dweller, that's what gnome means, and they were all over the gardens in Rome, to a couple thousand years ago, Switzerland. And I read they were only males. And that brought about all kinds of other research. I guess 3 sources said, yes, there are females. They stay at home, they're too smart to go out in the sun and turn to stone. But mostly they do dishwashing and knitting and cleaning and diapers. And oh, by the way, somebody in the 70s wrote a famous book about gnomes that decided they only have twins. Somebody else said they were identical twins, which doesn't make sense because of the artwork and they're boys and girls, and that's not identical. Kind of like how the females are not supposed to wear their hair down after they're married. Anyway, I decided, okay, let's go with that. Started making single parent gnomes. Their babies in their carriers, their packs. And so we're doing that again today. We're doing Mama Gnomes. 2 was Papa Gnomes. And we're hoping nobody hits the rays of the sun to become your stone statue. I hope you enjoy.